Pilot Smart Flares. These flares are automatically synchronized so that they flash in a sequential pattern, which helps to guide drivers around hazards. They are also equipped with a tilt sensor that directs the light output to optimize driver awareness. Smarter Cone. This cone lamp is stackable, rechargeable, and permanent. It also utilizes Pilot's sequential technology to provide motorists with more guidance and less visual noise/chaos. The Smarter Cone is cloud-enabled, so it can put lane closures and work zones on digital mapping solutions such as Waze, Apple Maps, and newer vehicle infotainment systems. Cone Adapters. These adapters allow Pilot smart flares to be attached to any standard traffic cone. Pilot's products are designed to improve safety for both motorists and workers. The company's goal is to create a world where roads are safer for everyone. In addition to its hardware products, Pilot also offers a software platform that allows customers to manage their devices and data. Marelli. Marelli is a leading global provider of automotive components and systems. The company was formed in 2019 through the merger of Magneti Marelli, an Italian automotive supplier, and Calsonic Kansei, a Japanese automotive supplier. Marelli has a strong presence in Europe, Asia, and the Americas, and it supplies its products to a wide range of automakers, including Fiat Chrysler Automobiles, Ford General Motors, Honda, Nissan, and Toyota. Lighting Systems. Marelli is a leading supplier of automotive lighting systems, including headlamps, taillights, and interior lighting. The company's lighting systems are known for their quality, innovation, and efficiency. Electronic Systems. Marelli also supplies a wide range of electronic systems for vehicles, including powertrains, infotainment systems, and driver assistance systems. Kilduff Shifter. Kilduff Machine is a company that specializes in the design and manufacturing of high-performance shifters for manual and automatic transmissions. They offer a wide variety of shifters for a variety of applications, including street, strip, and autocross. Their shifters are known for their precision, durability, and performance. Precision. Kilduff shifters are designed to provide the most precise and positive shifting experience possible. This is achieved through the use of high-quality materials and tight tolerances. Durability. Kilduff shifters are built to withstand the abuse of hard driving. They are made from high-strength materials and are designed to resist wear and tear. Performance. Kilduff shifters are designed to improve the performance of your vehicle. They can help you to shift faster and more accurately, which can lead to improved lap times and better acceleration. If you are looking for a high-performance shifter for your manual or automatic transmission, then Kilduff Machine is a great option to consider. ENGINEVOX. ENGINEVOX is a company that specializes in the design and manufacture of electronic active sound exhaust systems. These systems are designed to create a more realistic and enjoyable engine sound for cars that are equipped with 4-cylinder or V6 engines. ENGINEVOX systems use a variety of components, including microphones, speakers, and amplifiers, to generate a sound that is tailored to the specific vehicle. Improved sound. ENGINEVOX systems can make your car sound like it has a larger, more powerful engine. Increased enjoyment. A better sounding exhaust can make driving your car more enjoyable. More customization. ENGINEVOX systems allow you to customize the sound of your exhaust to your liking. If you are looking for a way to improve the sound of your car, then an ENGINEVOX electronic active sound exhaust system is a great option to consider. These systems are well made, easy to install, and can make a big difference in the way your car sounds. ENGINEVOX active sound exhaust system for Tesla Model 3. GlassSkinz. GlassSkinz is a company that manufactures rear window louvers for American muscle cars. These louvers are designed to improve the appearance of your car and to reduce the amount of sunlight that enters the rear window. GlassSkinz louvers are made from high-quality ABS plastic and are available in a variety of finishes, including gloss black, matte black, and satin black. Improved appearance. GlassSkinz louvers can give your car a more aggressive and stylish appearance. Reduced sun glare. GlassSkinz louvers can help to reduce the amount of sunlight that enters your rear window, which can improve visibility and make driving more comfortable. Increased privacy. GlassSkinz louvers can help to increase the privacy of your car by making it more difficult for people to see inside. If you are looking for a way to improve the appearance and functionality of your American muscle car, TDD Smart Paddler Shifter. TDD is a company that specializes in the design and manufacture of high-performance paddle shifters for a variety of vehicles. Their shifters are known for their precision, durability, and performance. TDD Smart Paddle Shifters are a great way to improve the driving experience of your vehicle. They can make shifting faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Precision. TDD Smart Paddle Shifters are designed to provide the most precise and positive shifting experience possible. This is achieved through the use of high-quality materials and tight tolerances. Durability. TDD Smart Paddle Shifters are built to withstand the abuse of hard driving. They are made from high-strength materials and are designed to resist wear and tear. Performance. TDD Smart Paddle Shifters are designed to improve the performance of your vehicle. They can help you to shift faster and more accurately, which can lead to improved lap times and better acceleration. Customizable. TDD Smart Paddle Shifters are highly customizable. Checkpoint Wheel Nut Indicators by Martins. Checkpoint wheel nut indicators are a simple and effective way to help prevent wheel loss. They are designed to be installed on the wheel nuts of your vehicle, and they will melt if the wheel nuts loosen or the wheel starts to overheat. This can help to alert you to a potential problem before it becomes a serious safety hazard. Checkpoint wheel nut indicators are made from a high-temperature polymer that melts at a specific temperature. Slide&Go. Slide&Go is a furniture system that is designed to be space-saving and versatile. It is made up of a series of modular components that can be configured in a variety of ways to create different types of furniture, such as desks, shelves, and room dividers. Slide&Go is a great option for people who live in small spaces or who need to be able to change the layout of their furniture frequently. Modular. Slide&Go is made up of a series of modular components that can be easily assembled and disassembled. This makes it easy to change the layout of your furniture as your needs change. Space-saving. Slide&Go is designed to be space-saving. The components can be folded up and stored away when not in use, which can free up valuable floor space. Versatile. Slide&Go can be used to create a variety of different types of furniture, such as desks, shelves, and room dividers. This makes it a great option for people who need a lot of functionality out of their furniture. Stylish. Slide&Go is available in a variety of different styles to match your decor. It can help you to save space.